Okay, let me put this way so you can see both the script and also the output. Okay, by using any web browser lah. I'm using Google Chrome. Okay, the first one, hide. Let's go to the second function. So when I hide, okay, automatically heading 1 is hide. Okay, so for the show button, so you need to access the show button. So my button ID is show. So you are using hashtag show. Also click event, and then I will access heading 1, and then put the event the effect for the event, which is show. So when I click show button, it will automatically show back the heading 1. For example, I click show, then you can see back your heading 1. That is the second function. How about the third function? The third function, I want to test about to put style. How to put style, CSS style by using jQuery. Okay, so the button ID is changed. So I need to access ID change. So I'm using hashtag change. Also, I'm using click event. So for this event, when I click this change button, what will happen? My markup body, I access body tag. Okay, for body is the whole document. So I put .css. So this is how you want to change the style. So you need to put the property here. So I change the background color. And then I change, the default color is white. So I want to change to olive color. So this is the property name, colon, and this is the value for that property for body tag. So then I'm also change the heading 1. So I access heading 1 .css. I change this is the color, the property color is for text color, font color. So I change the default is black. So I want to change to white color. And then if I have more than one CSS style for the element, so I need to put a comma. And then I put another property which is text decoration. And then the value is underline. So what will happen to this function? When I click change color, see the background color will change to olive color, and then my heading 1 will change from black to white color, and then there is underline for my heading 1. That is how you are using CSS in your jQuery. Okay, let's go to the fade button. Okay, this is the fade button. You have, for the effect fade, you can use fade in, fade out, or fade toggle. So fade in for fade out and fade toggle. Okay, for this exercise, for this function, for this button, sorry. Okay, when I click this fade button, I will access this one. I will access my fade button. So the ID for my fade button is fade. So I access using hashtag fade. This one, yeah, this one. Fade, yeah. So I'm using ID. So I need to access by using hashtag fade. Also, this is the button. So you use click event, and then what will happen? Access heading 1, and then I'm using effect fade toggle slow. Okay, fade toggle, and the value is slow. So what will happen when I click fade button? See, it will fade out or fade in because the toggle on or off. So if the state is in appear, so you need to disappear the text by using fade effect. So if I click one more time, so I can see back the heading 1. That is fade toggle. Okay, I'm using slow value. Let's go to the animation button. Okay, so animation button, the ID is animate. Okay, so you need to access animate, and then click event. So for this function, I want to access the division. Where is division? There are two division here. This one and also this one. Both are division. So what I want to do is I want to put effect to both division. So I just call division. Alright. So I call animate button. So put click event. So I call division for both division. put animate effect. Okay, so I put hide toggle. So what will happen when I click this button? Okay, so I click this button. Both my my division will disappear. When I click one more time, it will appear back because I'm using hide toggle on or off. Right. Then go to the animation tool. So I need to access my animate tool because for this button name is the ID is animate tool. So you need to assign event to animate tool. This one. So click event. So for this one, I just want it to give effect to box 1. Box 1 is a class. This one. Okay, so if you want to access class, you need to put dot. This one. Dot box 1. Okay, and then the effect is animate. Okay, so I'm using left. This is actually relative value. So I want to put it will increase for left 50 pixel. For the width also increase to 50 pixel. The height 10 pixel. The font size 5 pixel. So it will change relatively when you click this button. So let's see the output. So when I click animation 2, it will effect only for the box 1. This is the box 1. This is division box 1. This is division box 2. So concentrate on box 1. This one. So when you font size meaning the font inside your box. Yeah? Okay, when you click animation 2 button, see, it will increase the size, the left value, the width value, the height value, and also the font size. When I click one more time, because it has relative value, so it will increase another 50 for left, 50 for height, 50 for width, and 5 for font size. See, when you click, you will increase more. Okay, that is for animation 2. Okay, then concentrate on the last button, animation 3. The ID for animation 3 is animate 3, this one. So you need to access the animate 3 button. This one. I put click event, okay, because I want to click this animation button, animation 3 button, and then you have variable, you have division. Okay, I create one variable division, div, equal to, I access my box 2. So what is box 2? This one. This is all box 2. Consists of heading 2, heading 3, P, and so on. So I'm using ID. So you need to access by using ID. So you need to put hashtag. Okay, so hashtag box 2. Okay, meaning that I access all inside my division box 2 and I put it in variable div. So what I want to do for div, so I put animate the font size. I increase 0.9 m by using value slow, and then I create also to change the height, the width to 300 to 300. The original size for second box is 400 times 400. This one 400 times 400. But I want to animate to make it smaller and bigger again. Alright. So this one I want to smaller the size to 300 times 300, and then make it bigger to 400 times 400, and then it will move to the left 500 pixel and with value slowly move to left. This is for the last button, this animation 3. So let's see the output for animation 3. I click animation 3. See? Okay, so I make it smaller to 300 times 300, and then make it larger back to 400 times 400, and then move to left. That is animation effect for animation 3 button. Okay, I think that's all for this exercise, this lab 7 exercise. So in instruction from lab7.pdf, you need to add one more button and use your own creativity to create animation effect to any of element inside this document. Okay, I think that's all for now. So thank you.